All right, ladies and gents, we are doing lesson 5.16. The objective is to use visual models to add and subtract two fractions of the same units. So it's going to have the same denominator to add and subtract. All right, we're going to look at whole numbers first. So I have 5 as a whole minus 4 as a whole. We're going to go ahead and say that in unit form, so say it with me. 5 ones minus 4 ones equals 1 1. Pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead and put a label on it. Let's say we're going to say dogs. 5 dogs minus 4 dogs equals 1 dog. All right, let's get a little bit harder. Let's say meters. We're using a meter stick. 5 meters minus 4 meters equals 1 meter. All right, you get the idea, right? So let's go ahead and this time we're going to say 5 6 minus 4 6. Go ahead and write that in unit form and then write your answer in unit form. Pause while you do this. So hopefully you came up with 1 6. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do is actually to show this on a number line. So I'd like you to create a number line with endpoints 0 and 1 and partition it into sixths. So number line, endpoints 0 and 1, partition it into sixths. Pause while you do this. So yours should look like this, and you have your practice sheet obviously. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark 5 6 on our number line. So 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. And then we're going to mark 4 6. Okay? Or we're not going to mark 4 6. We're going to go down 4 6 because we're subtracting. So we're going to go 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6. So when I went back 4 6, what is this first one? Well, it's 1 6. Therefore, 5 6 minus 4 6 equals 1 6. That's a hard word to say. This time what I want you to do is I want you to subtract 7 6 minus 2 6. All right, so we're going to create a number line that is broken from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2, midway point is 1. 6 6. Go ahead and create 6 on each side. Pause while I do it. You should have this as your 7 6. And we know, or is your 6, so we know that 7 6 is greater than 1, don't we? That's why we had to go 0 to 2. So if you need to, you can start here at 1 6 to find 7 6, or you can just go straight to 7 6. I'm going to count it. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 6, same as 1, 7 6. So I'm going to put my 7 6 right here. Now if I'm going to take away 2 6, that's 1 6, 2 6. So here's where I'm at. Well, what is that? Let's go ahead and count it. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. So 7 6 minus 2 6 is the same as 5 6. You see how I did that? All right, let's go ahead and move on. I would like you to go ahead and flip your paper over. So we're going to work next. I'm going to say 10 6 minus 2 6. Now, if you need the number line, go ahead and draw it. If you don't need the number line, you can just write it out as a fraction. Go ahead and do that too. I'm just going to write it as a fraction because I know that 10 6 minus 2 6, since my 6 are the same, I'm really looking at 10 minus 2, and I know that's 8. 8 6. What we're going to do now is we're going to break this 8 6 down and put it into a mixed number because this is an improper fraction. So I'd like you to turn this into a number bond. Take out the whole and the part. Pause while you do that. I'm going to take you step by step 8/6, I took out the whole, which was 6/6, because 6/6 is the same as 1. And then the rest was 2/6, because 6 and 2 is 8. I kept my 6 because they're fractions. My 6/6 is equivalent to 1, and I brought over my 2/6. This, my friends, is a mixed number. I'm going to have you try it again. This time, I want you to do 9/5 minus 3/5. Do everything we did up here. Pause while you do it. Hopefully this is the fraction problem you got. 9/5 minus 3/5 is 6/5 because 6 plus 3 is 9. And hopefully you took your whole out of 6/5, which is the same as saying 5/5. 6/5 take away 5/5 is 1/5. And to make your mixed number, your 5/5 is the same as 1. And you bring down your 1/5. 1 and 1/5. We're going to go ahead and flip back over. And this time we're going to do some addition. We did subtraction. Addition just obviously goes the other way. I want you to put your finger on 1/6. And we're going to add 4/6 this time. Because originally it was 5/6 take away 4/6. This time we're going to go backwards. So start at 1/6. We're going to add 4/6 and see if we get 5/6. You guys ready? 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Did we get 5/6? Of course. So if we said 1/6 plus 4/6, we would know that it is equivalent to 5/6. We're going to go ahead and flip our paper over, do a little bit of addition. You know that 1 plus 4 is 5. So 1/6 plus 4/6 would equal that 5/6. This time I want you to do 2/8, E-I-G-H-T-H-S, plus 3/8, E-I-G-H-T-H-S. What does that equal? If you need a number line, you can go ahead and use it. But I do want a fractional number sentence below. Pause while you do this. And this is what you should have gotten. 2/8 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. All right, last thing that we're going to do today before you work on your problem set is one more piece. We're going to actually look at putting the sum into a mixed number just like we did with subtraction. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write down 5/4 in unit form plus 2/4. Pause while you do this. Go ahead and hopefully you did the fractional sentence as well. If you didn't, this is what it looks like. Go ahead and write it down. 5/4 plus 2/4 equals 7/4. But I want a mixed number. I don't want an improper fraction. So I'm going to take my 7/4. I'm going to take out my whole and my part, just like we did here. Please go ahead and take out your whole, your part, and give me a mixed number. Pause while you do it. This is what you should have. I took out my whole, which is 4/4, which equals 1. And what was left? 3/4. Because 4 plus 3 is 7. And I'm dealing with fourths. My whole and my part, 1 and 3/4. Last one I'm going to have you guys do is I want you to do 6/6 plus 4/6. And I want you to do the whole mixed number piece. Pause while you do that. This one's a little silly because it added up to 10/6. Well, I took out my whole, which I already had, and my part, which I already had, and I put it together as a mixed fraction. I could have just said, oh, that's worth 1 and 4/6. Okay, go ahead and work on your problem set with a partner. Good luck.